Hello guys, welcome to our channel Beto pela Escócia. Today we're gonna show you how did we install our window and the roof rack in our camper van. It's simple, you guys can do it as well. If you are planning to have your camper van, you guys can do it by yourself as well. So if you guys like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and leave your comments below. See you guys, bye. Okay guys, we are working on the street. We are parked on the street and I have to do a wee cut here because you're gonna cut the entire part of this sheet metal, same as here, and after that we are parked in a very straight street. For safety, I'm gonna move the car to another place. Let's do that. Okay fellas, we decided to move our van to the complex we are living. We are using the visitor space. We're gonna try to keep quiet, silent and clean. Easy to do it. And we are just on shore of the river. Okay guys, the window is installed. We're gonna go home, have a dinner. Michelle already cooked a nice meal, and that's it. Right, Michelle?
Yes.
Let's go home.